Bonjour! Let's learn French with French Gully. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So, today's lesson is about ir verb. What is an ir verb in French? Let's find out. Allez, on commence. What's an ir verb? Right, we're going to find out all about this ir verb. An ir verb is a verb that has its infinitive ending in er. For example, here, donner, aimer, parler, manger, etc., etc. So what you see is that these four verbs are written with the ending as er. Donner, to give, aimer, to like, parler, to speak, manger, to eat. So these are infinitive because they are not conjugated, as we are saying to give, to like, to speak, to eat. So they are not put in present tense or past tense or future tense. So these verbs are in infinitive and these verbs end in er. That's why they are called er verb. We know also that er verbs belongs to the first conjugation group. We have 3 groups in French. So today's lesson is just about finding out what is er verb. So that will be another lesson to talk about second group and third group. Er verb is a regular verb, which means that in the conjugation, so meaning when you are putting in the past tense, in the present tense, in the future tense, these verbs all follow the same endings, making it easier to conjugate. So in another lesson, we are going to be looking into the er verb in present tense. So at the moment, we stick to finding out the meaning of er verb. Now, we do have an irregular er verb, actually truly the one er verb, and it's aller, which means to go. And it does not follow the same endings as the regular er verb. So all conjugated forms means present, past, future tenses. All of these tenses must be learned by heart. Again, in future lessons, we will be looking into this verb conjugated in all other tenses. The good news is that more than 80% of French verbs are er verbs. So, if you learn the endings in present, past, future in these tenses, you should be able to conjugate all the er verbs. So it will be very easy. So you can make sentences using these verbs and knowing that it will follow the same endings. 11 er verbs that we have here. So, demander, to ask, regarder, to watch, parler, to speak, donner, to give, habiter, to live, jouer, to play, manger, to eat, parler, to talk, étudier, to study, chanter, to sing, fermer, to close. Right. In the next lesson, we will be learning how to conjugate these verbs in present tense.